2023 Ford Mustang Mach E. Another step closer to Australia. The 2023 Ford Mustang Mach E electric SUV is undergoing some final checks before being confirmed for Australia, say well-placed dealer sources. The Ford Mustang Mach E, the US auto giant's first new from-the-ground-up electric vehicle in the modern era, is factory-made in right and left-hand drive, and sold in other right-hand drive countries such as the UK and New Zealand. However, while the Mustang Mach E is said to be odds-on for Australia, Ford is reportedly waiting on a few more final checks before confirming the watershed vehicle for local showrooms. The engineering supervisor for the Ford Mustang Mach E, Leeway Ho, told Drive during a preview of the vehicle ahead of the 2022 Detroit Motor Show, "Our role in product development is to do our due diligence and make sure it's not just paperwork. It's that we're meeting all of the local regulation requirements and we're making sure that the vehicle itself functions the way that we want it to function when it's out on Australian roads." For instance, the navigation system right now in current production, it only has North American maps and European maps depending upon where the car goes. We want to make sure that we're not just sending a car where all we did was change a window sticker. We want to make sure the customer gets the comprehensive experience. While the engineer did not confirm the Mustang Mach E was coming to Australia, other senior Ford executives repeatedly told international media who attended the Detroit show that it was a global model. "We want to make sure that it delivers upon the customer experience that a customer in Australia would expect from the vehicle," said Mr. Ho. In the US, there are a number of versions of the Ford Mustang Mach E. A variety of base models with rear or all-wheel drive, and a high-performance, all-wheel drive GT version with a claimed 0 to 100 km/h time of less than 4 seconds.